It's pretty fast.
Yeah, because he has slime. See, it's some older to Dragonite.
Okay. Are you trying to put all of them up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because there's that the way
Okay.
there's like that. But there's like one up
What? Which one is this one? Both of them is stuck.
Yeah.
Which one is that one? What's that one?
It's green and it's all just watching.
Oh, nice. That's my favorite one.
This is my favorite one.
Ooh. Oh my goodness.
No. Not yet. I'm not. That's it. Go. No. No way.
You'll get it. Oh my goodness. Maybe this time. Do it one more time. Oh my gosh.
You go on to tail and this is blue fun.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh, it's flat.
Almost. Oh my goodness, they're all at the edge.
Yeah. Oh, he hit the other one. See?
Which one is that? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that one definitely went up there. All right. Oh. Okay, El Toro Loco is up there. What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna race them.
Are you gonna race them? Okay, which one is this? This one is El Toro. No, this one is Max D and Gravedigger.
No. No way.
Gravedigger won.
Yeah, but two of them won. 2 feet. Oh, two of them won too.
Yeah, I think that was a tie.
2 feet, go. Oh!
Oh, none of them won.
They pushed.
Do you want me to move it?
They pushed it. Oh! Let's do them again.
You want to do it one more time? No, you can't throw it up there. Don't throw it up. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
What? Oh, he's up.
Oh yeah, good job. Yep.
Oh, my God.
Let's see if you could get these up there.
Oh, he rolled off.
Almost.
He hit the ball. Mommy,
Yes?
I think that's the
Mm-hmm.
over these monster, 5 monster trucks.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's see, Mommy.
What happened?
I must have them all right here.
We should have brought the minis.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, don't do it yet. Don't let it hit him, okay? Hi. You gotta be careful. Can you move him just a little bit over there? Thank you. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, Papa, go ahead. Woo!
Crashing them.
He crashed in them?
Yeah. Let's see both of them.
Woo! Okay, that one's stuck.
He's gone.
The baby is right there, okay? Be careful.